Hey everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where I give you my take on all the things that we are loving in our home. Don't forget, as we are trying to grow our channel, we appreciate the support, like, subscribe, all the things. Tragedy has struck our household and I need your help. We went to Japan recently. We did some vintage shopping. If you haven't, I've got that video at the end. You can see the link to it and you can see what we bought. One of the items that we purchased was a Gucci bag and I love it. I brought it home, I cleaned it up, and I did a great job. I leathered, I got all of the stains out. Everything was great. I conditioned the leather. It was amazing. And I rocked it for at least a week and a half. And we were in the store. Because it's older, there are these crimps where I guess the bag was just kind of stored. And so the leather has, I don't know, it's dried out, right? So we're in the car and I went to get out of the car and I pull the bag out and the leather ripped from the corner. So right here where the strap had kind of bent and was held for a long time, it became a weak point. And so it just ripped and I don't know what to do. There's a couple of avenues I could take. I think I could take it back to Gucci and I could ask them if they could fix it for me. I used to work at Coach forever and ever ago. And when I worked at Coach, people could bring in their bags because they had a lifetime of the bag warranty and they could send it off for a repair. And if they could be fixed, maybe you had a price, maybe you didn't to fix it. If it couldn't be fixed, Coach would send back like a letter with a discount or a price to say, here is money towards a bag or here's a discount towards another bag. That's one avenue I could take. Has anybody had success with that? Does anybody have any experience with going to Gucci and having them? Is this a possibility? Is this bag too old to where they would laugh me out of the store? I want to know. The other option is I could take it to maybe a shoe repair and have them stitch it up. Essentially what needs to happen is this seam right here, these stitches need to be seam ripped. And then I can open this part right here, stick the leather in just a little bit further and restitch it. I can do the opening of the stitch, but I don't want to be the one. I don't want it to be janky. So I want to know your advice. What do I do? Do I go back to Gucci or do I just take it to a local shoe repairman and see if they can fix it for me? Because I just think it was such a great find and I don't think it's worth giving away. It's not a lost cause, right? Help me. Help me, please. Thank you.